Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix GIF not sending on WhatsApp, right? It's very easy to do it. We have to just go to the Play Store. Once you go to the Play Store, just search your WhatsApp and make sure your WhatsApp is updated, right? So here, if you find this option of update in the place of open, then update your WhatsApp right now. Once you update your WhatsApp, just go to the settings of your phone and here you have to type apps, right? You have to just go to the app management, go to the app management. App management is basically it will show all the application which is present over your app mobile, right? And here we'll just type here WhatsApp. Once we do, we will just go to the storage usage and here we will just clear the cache. Once we clear the cache, we will just go back and make sure you also clear the data, right? Once you clear the data, then of course you have to re-log in into your WhatsApp, right? And I will just open the WhatsApp here, right? Once I open the WhatsApp, you can just see here, for example, I will just send anything to one of my friend. Let's say that this person, I will just go to the GIF, right? And I can just send it. It works perfectly fine, right? So this is how it works, and I'm sure in your case it would have worked perfectly fine. So this is it, guys. If you found this video really useful, subscribe.